Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming eligibility. Log in with your school-issued email or gather enrollment proof. Once done, make sure your government ID matches the student documents. Next, decide whether you'll shop in an Apple store or use the education store online because the path and verification differ. If you choose online, sign into your Apple ID first and prepare to run the verification step. This first push gets you into the official student flow quickly and avoids delays later. You now complete identity verification. Follow Apple's partner prompts or upload enrollment documents manually. After verification clears, compare the education prices across models and check any student-only bundles so you don't miss savings. Make selections for model, storage, and accessories while the discount is active, because changing configuration can alter eligibility pricing. Also add Apple Care if you want coverage. This often applies at student rates. Take a moment to review final pricing and estimated tax to confirm the net savings. You finish by completing checkout with the verified student account and saving the digital receipt and order ID for records. Once the device arrives, register it to your Apple ID and enable Apple Care if you bought it. If the verification or discount didn't apply, try uploading clearer proof or use a school-issued email instead. Make sure dates on documents show current enrollment. If problems persist, contact Apple Education Support and reference your order ID so they can fix the discount quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.